Today we'll be making Vietnamese grilled chicken with rice noodles. A delicious healthy noodle bowl loaded with flavor. Juicy lemongrass, fresh herbs, crisp veggie, and rice noodles come together with tangy Vietnamese sauce. This easy Vietnamese recipe is perfect for quick dinners, summer grilling, or a tasty Asian-inspired meal at home. But before we start, please support this channel by liking and subscribing below. Now let's get started. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon salt, about 3/4 cup water, 1/8 cup white vinegar. Add about 1 cup carrots. Stir and season overnight. Slice the inner stems of lemongrass. We need about 3 tablespoons. Put the sliced lemongrass in a blender with 1/2 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoon oil, 1/2 teaspoon low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon fish sauce, and blend until smooth and set aside. Then slice our chicken breast horizontally to create 2 thinner slices. We need about 575 to 660 grams chicken breast, or about 1/2 pounds. Pour the blended spices onto the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon brown sugar and sprinkle with meat tenderizer. Spread the seasoning on the chicken so they are even, then sprinkle the other side with meat tenderizer. Refrigerate and season overnight. The next day, slice your lettuce. You can use green or red leaf lettuce. Wash and slice your cucumber. I like to cut it like matchsticks. Then wash the bean sprouts and set aside. Prepare your cilantro. I like to separate the stem section from the leaf section and just use the leaf section. You don't have to do it. Wash and cut into 1-inch length. These are mint leaves. I just wash and collect the leaves only. Mint are quite easy to grow, so I'm going to put the stem in water until it grows roots, then transplants to soil. These are Thai basils. Again, I'm going to wash and collect the leaves only. I will try to grow it as well, just like the mint leaves. I have some roasted peanuts here that I'm going to mash into smaller pieces. You can also use a food processor. As for the sauce for the noodles, we need 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup fish sauce, 1/8 cup vinegar, 1/8 cup lime juice, 1/2 cup water, 2 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoon chili paste or as desired. I have these Vietnamese spring rolls that I bought at my local Asian store in the frozen section that I will just need to fry. You can get any egg rolls you like or even make your own. I have this rice noodle and you can use any brand you like. Boil a pot of water, then add the noodles. You want to cook the noodles a little less than al dente because it will still continue to cook and absorbs water after you take it out. Put in a bowl of ice water to cool and drain properly. These noodles will continue absorbing the cold water, and that's the reason you want to cook it less than al dente. Prepare your charcoal, or if you are using an indoor grill like mine, prepare it for grill on medium for 3 minutes. When it said add food, add the chicken. Hear that sizzle? After 3 minutes, you want to flip the chicken and add another 3 to 4 minutes depending on the size of your chicken. Once it is done, take the chicken out and let it rest a little and then cut it. See how moist the chicken is? Now it's time to assemble. You can assemble any way you like. I put the noodles, bean sprouts, lettuce, cucumbers, the herbs, carrots, sliced chicken, and egg rolls. The Vietnamese grilled chicken with rice noodles is ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.